Welcome everyone to our algebra series. We're starting from the very basic, the primary school level. So our lesson is taken from page 56 of our hidden fact in first school living certificate, mathematics. We are treating substitution in algebra. Let's take our first example. Given that C is equal to 3 and D is equal to minus 3, what is the value of X if X is equal to 2C plus D, A2, B3, C4, D6, E8? Solution. After substituting, X equals to 2C plus D becomes X equals to, bracket open, 2 times 3, bracket close, plus, bracket open, minus 3, bracket close. And the result will be 6 minus 3. And that will be the same as 3. Another example. What is C squared minus N squared when C is equals to 1 whole number 3 over 4 and N is equals to 1 whole number 1 over 4? The options are given: A, 2 whole number 1 over 2, B, 1 whole number 1 over 2, C, 1 whole number 1 over 4, D, 1, E, 3 over 4. Solution. C squared minus N squared. Substituting, we have equals to, bracket open, 1 whole number 3 over 4, close bracket raised to power 2, that is square, minus, bracket open, 1 whole number 1 over 4, bracket close, square. Next, we change the mixed fractions in the bracket to improper fractions. The result will be 7 over 4 square minus 5 over 4 square. Taking the squares of the fraction, we have 49 over 16 minus 25 over 16. And that will be equals to 49 minus 25 over 16. And that will be equals to 24 over 16. Our result will be equals to 3 over 2. And that is the same as 1 whole number 1 over 2. Alternatively, we can take applying difference of two squares. C squared minus N squared will be equals to C plus N, bracket open and close, another bracket open, C minus N. Substituting, we have equals to, bracket open, 1 whole number 3 over 4 plus 1 whole number 1 over 4, then bracket open again. This bracket has been closed. So we have 1 whole number 3 over 4 minus 1 whole number 1 over 4, bracket close. And that will be equals to, changing from mixed number to improper fraction. We now have 7 over 4 plus 5 over 4, bracket open and close. Then another bracket open, 7 over 4 minus 5 over 4. And that will be equals to 12 over 4, bracket open and close, times 2 over 4, bracket open and close. Our result will be 3 over 2, which is equals to 1 whole number 1 over 2. Another example. If M is equals to 6, N is equals to 5, and P is equals to 4, what is the value of 3M plus P squared minus 3N? The options are given: A, 34, B, 19, C, 15, D, 12, E, 11. Solution. Substituting for the given values, we have 3M plus P squared minus 3N will be equals to 3 into bracket open, 6, bracket close, plus 4 square minus 3 into bracket open, 5, close the bracket. And our result will be 18 plus 16 minus 15. Performing addition first, we have 34 minus 15, which is equals to 19. Another example. Find the value of 12 divided by A plus 3B minus C. If A is equals to 8, B is equals to 1, and C is equals to 5. The options are given: A is 12, B 6, C 4, D 2, E 0. Solution. Substituting for the given values, we have 12 divided by A plus 3B minus C will be equals to 12 divided by 8 plus 3 into bracket open of 1, a bracket close, minus 5, which is equals to 12 divided by 8 plus 3 minus 5. Bodman's rule says do addition first in the denominator. And that will be equals to 12 divided by 11 minus 5. That is the same as 12 over 6, which is equals to 2. Another example. If A is equals to 4 and B is equals to 3, what is the value of bracket open A plus B bracket close into another bracket open A minus B bracket close? The options are given. A is equals to 3, B 7, C 12, D 28, E 49. Solution. Substituting for the given values, bracket open A plus B and bracket close into another bracket open A minus B bracket close will be equals to 4 plus 3 bracket open and close, and another bracket open 4 minus 3 open and close, which will be equals to 7 times 1. We just added the value in the two brackets. We added in the first one, we subtracted in the second one. Our result became 7 times 1, and that is equals to 7. Another example. A is equals to 1, B is equals to minus 1, C is equals to minus 2, and D is equals to 0. Use the information to answer questions 16 and 17. 16. Find the value of A squared plus B squared. The options are given. A is 0, B 1, C 2, D 3, E 4. Solution. A squared plus B squared will be equals to 1 square bracket open and close plus bracket open minus 1 bracket close square. Since minus times minus is equals to plus, or minus square is equals to plus, our value will be, for the case of 1 square, will be equals to 1, and minus 1 square will also be equals to 1. That's why we're going to have 1 plus 1, and that's equals to 2. Question 17. What is the value of ABD? The options are given. A 3, B 2, C 1, D 0, E minus 1. Solution. Substituting for the given value, ABD will be equals to, remember A is 1, so we have 1 times, then B is minus 1, so we'll put our bracket to take care of the minus, then times 0, our D is 0. Once 0 multiplies any number, it gives 0, thus our result is equals to 0. Yes, we've come to the end of the examples under this subsection. Next, we take some exercises. I advise you try your hands on them. Answers are the answer section of the book Hidden Facts in First School Living Certificate, page 57. Next, we take another subtopic, solving and substituting. Here, unlike in the first case where we just substituted, here we'll be required to solve the given equation before substituting. Let's take our first example. What is the value of A squared? What is the value of A squared if A minus 5 is equals to 3? The options are given. A 4, B 8, C 25, D 64. Solution. First we solve for A in A minus 5 equals to 3. That will give us, making A the subject formula, collect line terms together, A will be equals to 3 plus 5, which is equals to 8. Therefore, A square will be equals to 8 square, which will be equals to 64. Another example. If A square plus B square is equals to C square, find A if B is equals to 4 and C is equals to 5. A is 2, B 3, C 4, D 6, E 7. Those are the options given. Solution. A square plus B square equals to C square. Substituting for B and C values, we have A square plus 4 square will be equals to 5 square. And that will be A square plus 16 equals to 25. Collecting like terms together, making A square the subject formula, we have A square will be equals to 25 minus 16. We have just collected like terms together, or we made A square the subject of formula. A square will be equals to 9. A will be equals to square root of 9, which is to say A is equals to 3. Another example. If 5x is equals to 25, what is the value of 2x squared? The options are given. A 5, B 10, C 20, D 25, E 50. Solution. First, we find x value. We are told that 5s is equals to 25. To get s, we divide both sides by the quotient of x, that is 5. So we now have 5s divided by 5 will be equals to 25 divided by 5. X will be equals to 5. Next, we find 2x squared by substituting for x value. 2x squared will be equals to 2 into 5 bracket open 5 square, which is equals to 2 times 25, and that is equals to 50. We've come to the end of this subsession. Next, we take some exercises, which are page 58 in the hidden fact in first school living certificate. Try and answer them. The answers are given at the answer session. Next, we take the subtopic that follows, age comparison. Example, a man who is 5 times as old as his son. If the father is presently 50 years old, what will be the age of the son in 5 years' time? The options are given: A, 5 years, B, 10 years, C, 15 years, D, 20 years, E, 25 years. Solution. Let the son's years be x. Father's age is 5x. Presently, the father is 50 years. Presently, the son is, to get x from 5x, we divide by 5. Thus, to get son age from 50 years, we divide by 5. Son's age will be equals to 50 divided by 5, which is equals to 10 years presently. In 5 years' time, son's age will be 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. In 5 years' time, son's age will be 10 plus 5, which is equals to 15 years. Another example. Joe is half his father's age now. If his father's age is now 52 years, what was their total age 5 years ago? The options are given: A, 66 years, B, 78 years, C, 68 years, D, 48 years, E, 108 years. Solution. We will use simple reasoning as, taking them side by side, we have Joe, half of father's age. Then we have father's age. Now, what will happen under there will be half of 52 years, and under the father, that is under Joe. So, under the father, we have 52 years. You know, half of 52 years, that is the same as 26 years. Then we now move 5 years ago. On the side of Joe, we have 26 years minus 5 years, and that will give us 21 years. Meanwhile, on the father side, we have 52 years minus 5, which will give us 47 years. Next, we have total age 5 years ago. We now have 21 plus 47, which is equal to 68 years. Another example. Tommy is a year older than Alani, and Alani is a year older than Lolade. If their total age is 30, how much old is Lolade? A, 13 years, B, 10 years, C, 9 years, D, 6 years, E, 4 years. Solution. Let's represent each of the names with letters. We now have Tommy will be represented by T, Alani will be represented by A, and Lolade will be represented by L. Then under Tommy, we have T is equals to A plus 1. And under Alani, we have A is equals to L plus 1. And under Lolade is just L. This is based on the information we are giving. We are interpreting now. Since the question is after L, we will change T and A to L. T will be equals to L plus 1 plus 1. Then under Alani, we have L plus 1. Then under Lolade, we have L. And our result will be T equals to L plus 2. And we still have L plus 1 under Alani and L under Lolade. But we are told that the sum of their ages is 30. That is to say, L plus 2 plus L plus 1 plus L is equals to 30. And that will give us 3L plus 3 will be equals to 30. 3L is equals to 30 minus 3. And that is to say 3L is equals to 27. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of L, which is 3. And we have 3L divided by 3 will be equals to 27 divided by 3. L will be equals to 9 years. Another example. Kule's age is a third of his father's age. If the age of Kule's father is 60 years, find Kule's age. The options are given. A, 12, B, 16, C, 10, D, 15, E, 20. Solution. Let the first letter of their names represent their ages. Kule becomes K and father becomes F. K will be equals to 1/3 of F. And we have F under father. That is to say 1/3 of 60 years, which will be equals to 20. And the father under F, we have 60 years. Next example. If Dele was born on the 26th of 03, 1990, and Bumi was born on the 3rd, 04, 1990, By how many days is Dele older than Bumi? A is 5, B is 3, C is 7, D is 6, E is 8. Dele was born on the 26th of March, 1990. March has 31 days as a month, and that is 5 days to April. Bumi was born 3rd of April, 1990. That is 3 days into April. You can see for yourself that the days different is 8 days. Another example. Kayode is twice as old as Kule. The sum of their ages is 24 years. How old is Kule? The options are 16, B 12, C 6, D 8, E 9. Solution. Let the middle of their name represent their ages. Kayode become Y, Kule become N. We are told that Y is equals to 2N. That's to say Kayode is twice as old as Kule, while N is there for Kule. Since the problem is on Kule N, we work with N only. Sum of their ages is 24, will imply 2N plus N equals to 24. The result will be 3N is equals to 24. Divide both sides by the coefficient of N, which is to say 3N divided by 3 is equals to 24 divided by 3. N is equals to 8. We've come to the end of the examples under this subtopic. Next, we have some exercises that are taken from page 59 of our book, Hidden Fact in First School Living Certificate. Please try your hands on the exercises. The answers are given at the answer section of the book, either the hard copy or the soft copy. Thank you.